So I was in the middle of recording this video and I just got an email by the same user that turned $500 into 19 grand in a day and a half. He did the same thing again, alright, using the strategy. He turned 500 into 9,000, and he actually sent me the screenshot to show me what trades he took. Alright, he took this long right here with the divergence and the buy signal on the 5-minute time frame. He took this short up here at this resistance level, and then he took this long, and he held it till he got back up here. Alright, and he turned $500 into 9,000. Alright, with these 3 trades compounding. He did this in 2 hours, guys, with 6 kids in the car and shit service. Alright, so if you're watching this right now, you have no excuse. This is a strategy, guys. This is it. You can't be looking for anything else. You're seeing this day after day. The Discord is going to be crazy. EzAlgo V2 is coming, and we're going to be throwing these trades up. If you're not in it, then you better get in now. You better get this algo now, because I'm telling you, you're seeing this for yourself. The trades that our users are taking to day in, day out, make these types of trades. We're in the worst market conditions, right? We're going straight down. On the 5-minute time frame, we're in this range, and we're longing and shorting support and resistance, using these signals and divergences for confirmation. That's all we're doing. That is all that we are doing. And it's working out, okay? And people are making money. This guy has 6 kids in the car with him and shit service, and you're sitting at home right now with your 4-bar Wi-Fi, okay? With a screen in front of you, with all the resources at hand, and you can do this too. It's not rocket science. Make sure to get EzAlgo, first link in the description, to also be in the Discord that is launching soon, and get EzAlgo V2 when it launches within the next coming week. And that's all I wanted to say. So watch this video till the end to understand how our traders are doing this day in and day out with EzAlgo, and how you can do the same thing. And understand that there are no excuses. This is all you need, guys. It's not rocket science. I'll see you in the video. Well, hope you guys are doing good, okay? The market really just took a shit. The market has completely taken a shit on all retail investors. And before we jump into this video, I just want to show you guys, if you haven't seen, then this is what happened, okay? We're gonna go on the daily time frame, and this is ugly, man. This is ugly, okay? Ooh, no, that does not look good. That does not look good. We knew price action was weak, okay? We got this sell signal on the daily time frame, which I was not expecting. Okay, I thought we were going to hold this level, but the market tends to do things that we don't want it to do. And we've come down nearly 20%. So, please do not be over leveraged. Please do not be holding your bags at this time. You should solely be trading and taking short positions and using the scalping strategies that I've been telling you guys about, or trading on a 1-hour time frame. I mean, these signals have been killing it, right? We got this sell signal all the way up here, and it just kept going, man. We got this little buy signal, right? We didn't get any divergences though, and another sell signal with a bearish divergence. And wow, you know, that does not look good. Anyway, we're gonna stick on the bright side, because it doesn't matter which way the market is going, because we're making money either way. Either way, we're making money on the way down. Just ask the EzAlgo users. And let's jump into this video. So I had a comment of someone asking how to spot the divergences, right? How to spot an entry and exit, and know when to take profit, right? So I'm on the Solana 1-minute chart, which has been doing fantastic, and I'm gonna move this down to 1.5 sensitivity, which is the go-to sensitivity. All right, you could do a little bit higher on the 1-minute time frame if you wanted to, but for simplicity's sake, we're gonna stick to that 1.5. And here's how we kind of use all of these in Confluence. Now, I made a couple of videos on it, But it can be hard to decipher sometimes what is a divergence, because as you can see, the lines don't always show a divergence. Like, would this be a divergence right here? You know, would this constitute as a divergence? Well, yes. And that's what I'm going to kind of go over in today's video. So if you don't know what a divergence is, most people use divergences on the RSI, but what I've come to realize is that the RSI is somewhat of a lagging indicator. Okay, it is, and sometimes those divergences don't work out that well compared to market cipher, or should I say Vumanchu Cipher B divergences with the momentum waves are usually pretty spot on. Right, so how do you know which one to take? Well, first rule, right, that you guys should know by now is we're going to wait for price to come down to a level. Okay, because we don't want to take a long position when we're in a downtrend and we're not at support. So we want to wait until price finds that support, okay? And at the time, this was not even a support, okay? We came down here. I'd recommend just taking shorts right now. I would not be taking any longs in this market condition. I mean, of course you can still be profitable, as you can see, but I mean, just the overall trend, right? It's just ugly, man. It's just ugly. But there's a lot of money to be made. So regardless, we're making money. But here's what a divergence looks like in a trade that I would enter, okay? So as you can see, well, this was a support level, right? Because we came down, we tested it once, you know, and then we tested it again, right? Like a little double bottom right there on the 1 minute time frame, a little double bottom, right? So we got that double bottom, formed that support, and we got this divergence right here, okay? With a buy signal at support. That's what I'm looking for to enter a trade. And a divergence, if you don't know, is a big momentum wave and then a smaller trigger wave. So something like this, right? We have a big wave and we have a little wave, right? Divergence. We have a big wave, another little wave, divergence, right? We have a big wave and a smaller wave, trigger wave, divergence, okay? But we want to use this in confluence with the support and resistance levels, because if we don't have our levels identified, then we're not going to be able to make a good trade. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a resistance level right around here at the 27.6 level, and then we got that bearish divergence with a sell signal, right? So momentum is moving down at resistance with a sell signal, okay? So that is what we are looking for when we're trading on this low of a time frame. And if I don't see a divergence at support, I'm not going to take the trade, because these swings are if you're using high leverage on a small time frame, these swings can really chop you up. So you want to be super confident when you take these trades, okay? So that was an example of a trade that we would take, okay? Let's look at this one, right? We have a sell signal. We're at this resistance level now. We can't break above it. We don't have a bearish divergence though. Now, could you have taken that trade and made some profit? You know, stop loss above here, you know? Yeah, you could. You could have made some good profit, but we're not going to take that trade because we are not confident enough in taking that trade, okay? And let's go, okay, and let's see right here, okay? We have another sell signal, right, at resistance with that bearish divergence, okay? So that would have been a short that we would have taken, but we got stopped out, all right? We got stopped out right at this buy signal. So we would have lost that trade because it happens, okay? Let's take a look at this, right? And this is real time, you know, market is shitting the bed, and we have traders turning $300 into $19,000 in a day, okay? So it's possible. It's possible. And as you can see, look, we have a bearish divergence right here. You know, price is moving up, right? Price is moving up into that resistance level as momentum is moving down. Momentum is moving down. We get that red sell dot. We're looking for a sell signal next, and we get it right around here, okay? Comes down to the support. So that just makes up for the loss that we just had off that one trade. Okay, let's keep going a little bit. Right here, do we have a divergence? Not really. It came down to support. We did get a buy signal, but we're not going to take that trade. Here we go. Ready? Bearish divergence. It actually shows you on Vumanchu Cipher B. We have momentum going down, right? We see that red sell dot. We did not get a sell signal until right here, though, okay? And there's that red dot. So we're going to take that trade. We're going to take that with a tight stop loss, maybe like right around here, okay? And this comes down to the support level, all right, and it goes even lower, almost a 4% move, comes down to this support level. Well, I hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope it influenced you enough to start taking action, to get EzAlgo if you haven't already, and start using the strategy for yourself. You can see it for yourself, right? Some people comment, how can we trust you? How can we trust that the system works? Well, the proof is that I'm showing you guys I'm making videos every day, and I'm soon gonna launch the Discord with EzAlgo V2, where we will be posting these trade setups, right? And you can follow along and enter these trades with us. Please leave a like on this video if you have enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. And that's it from me, guys. I'll catch you next video.